symphonies. Before all I heard was silence, a rhapsody for you and me. And every melody is timeless. Life was stringing me along. Then you came and you cut me loose. Was solo singing on my own. Now I can't find a key without you. And now your song is on repeat, and I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of your symphony. We hold me tight and not let go. Symphony, like a love song on the radio. We hold me tight and not let go.
Happy birthday, anak. Mahal na mahal ka namin ni Daddy and susupport kami lagi sa lahat ng mga gusto mo. Alam mo naman na nandito lang kami palagi for you and the whole family. And sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng goals mo sa life. Dahil itong 7th birthday mo, na-achieve na natin to. So, meron pa tayong madaming i-achieve sa buhay and sana yung sa'yo, isa-isa mo yun ma-achieve, anak. And nandito lang kami lagi ni Daddy for you. Mahal na mahal kita.
Happy birthday, anak. Lahat susuportahan ka namin. Lahat ng gusto mo. And nandito lang lagi si Daddy at si Mami. Lahat ng gusto mo makamit at makamtan sa buhay. Lahat ng pangarap mo, susuportahan ka namin. Tandaan mo, mahal na mahal ka namin lagi. Kahit
Kulit ka.
Kahit makulit ka. Paminsan-minsan, nakikinig ka lagi kay Mami tsaka kay Daddy, ha? I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, anak.